Welcome to Yola's European Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious breaded meat cutlets. Let's begin. I'm going to use the following ingredients: 1.5 pounds of ground meat, 2 cups of breadcrumbs, 1 large onion, 2 eggs, salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of hot sauce, 3 ounces of water, black pepper and olive oil. I'm going to use 1 pound of fresh pork. It's a pork shoulder. Let me cut the meat first. I like to grind my own meat, but you can use the meat from the store. Let's grind the meat. To add additional flavors to our meat cutlets, we have to add fried caramelized onions. Let me cut them. Perfect cubes. To fry onions, I'm going to use olive oil. You have to fry them to the point they are soft and caramelized. A little bit of salt and pepper. I'm going to lower the heat and cover. As you can see, the onions are perfectly caramelized. I'm going to cool them down and add to the meat. And now it's time to mix all the ingredients. 2 eggs, little bit of salt, sweet paprika, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, black pepper, few ounces of water, caramelized onions, which are cooled down. I'm also going to add a little bit of hot sauce. And now we are ready to form the cutlets. I'm going to use a few drops of water to splash on my hands when I'm forming the cutlets. I think it's the right size and shape. Now I'm going to cover the cutlets with breadcrumbs, dust off the excess of breadcrumbs, Now they are ready to be fried. I'm using olive oil, make sure it's very hot. Fry cutlets about 3 minutes on one side, flip, and additional 4 minutes on lower heat. Make sure they are golden brown. Lower the heat and cover them for 2 minutes to make sure that they are done inside. The cutlets are ready to be served. You can plate them with mashed potatoes and salad. Bon appetit! If you like my new recipe, give me thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for future notifications.